want to mention someone in a LinkedIn post or comments, but you don't know how to tag or mention someone properly. In this video, I will show you how you can mention someone or tag someone in your post as well as in your comments. So simply you just need to open your post, but in your case, I just write a new post. So you totally understand how I can mention someone in my post. Simply click on start a new post, and after this, you just need to write your post. And for example, here you just need to mention someone. It may be a company, it may be a person. So you just need to put here the @ and just write the name of your friends, colleagues, or anyone that you want to mention here. And you can also mention here the name of the company. For example, I'm just writing here my company name. Simply I can mention. And after this, you can also upload the video, anything that you want to upload here. Once you are satisfied with your video or images, you just need to click on next. And after this, you just need to click on post. And now it will take some seconds, and after this it will be a upload on a LinkedIn. And now you can see that your post live on a LinkedIn, and now you can see that. And if you want to mention someone in your comments, simply you just need to put here the @ and then write the name of the person that you want to mention here. And simply you can also mention the company name, same like this. Simply you add the @ and then put the name of the company. So hope you understand how you can mention someone or tag someone in your post or in your comments. If you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.